Yes, I'm walk up beam or my in a cabra santi abeka beho. Yenchia radio fusu etiefo in as a face no journey radio fusua. Yama wakwaba. Na ebrewe say ye de boka tamusem ebeto asorechi ye online stories and so ya aba komo ba ko bi ho so a ye be fam ye koya. Na me ka se sika koso netwa ye free ya ye be koya Eric Esiedu e de akokensi ebro no ba be wi a or the first draw ebeto dwa. It dial *281 hash. *281 hash. *281 hash. Na o dalia ebe ma another options. No are selecting option 4. So, o selecting option 4. Ebe bisa say dodo say na apesoto. Ba ko bi abetu bia no e 5 Ghana cedis. Eti dodo apesoto no abo number no e dey show. Ebi a me to 10, me to 15, me to 20. Na no pay ye 1,000. And son will pay 5,000 cedis. And son will pay the pay.
Well, because we are just not truthful to ourselves as a country. And Pamjo Muntini. And the Ebekoswa Casa, na Montia, na Ebi, a person of mine, ye are fine. Momayentia say December 7th, no, say Bibia, ya about to Okosu, na about also din Kugua. Aban awosu na wadi ngugu no be wi na juma January 7th no oni hu kwan class nsuo kro cost odisika kose ekoto nsuo aban sikem mo me antia sesa because the ekoso nyina no obi nkase pudu nsuo it's going to repeat itself if we don't find a proper solution to the whole situation. You aban ba yesi oni o man go ye jaw kakra o hwe ne ma ye o revokes temesi o ampa say every blessed morning, Biano, Ura ministry, Ura agency, Ura department, BMA. Even 1 year, we are terminating people's appointment. It's your young cause it. So December 7th, we now bands, now from December 7th, you say a ban was so evolution, and found some kashi, and more and trophy, any capre, any simple. Let us all, as of mine, yantias here because my car. And this a better me buna monti myself we been mudi diago. Nentwe duano. And got it too. And it is affecting us, citizens, no? They are playing their political chess there. Nay, butu ye baby, no. They are affecting. If after December 7th, about to Obiana, about was you don't have to move a penny or appoint anyone. Let us establish that as a country and as a people. Well, maybe I'm modern nana is in the everyday agency. Bebia NDC modern names is in the edging sembano. It's not I do you do me and I'll show you where power lies and oh baby don't call for I create. Because when it turns, no NDC person should get the courage to come and say the media mon come say Obianka. No. We yegusua ye kaimu. Yegusua ye kaimu. It's not healthy for us as a country. It's a dysfunctional democracy that practices this kind of intimidation and frustration. It's not healthy. I don't know what to say about it. In the account, it happened in the previous administration. In from so bia MPP abambe I'll be sure my business bia. I was saying this for na omo PPR dium. It's when my question why for it. But the truth is that after December 7th, yen nyina yen si pose. Akwasi nsia na e mampen ye tu na e de o man hene kwabna santiaba. Iti akwasi nsia 2 December 7th we pe. Uni ho kwan kra se utu anamon A B C D akofa problem bi akraba. Utu se anamon na asotwe ese fatal ese ye de maw. Enkofo maw. Anamon mu fra Azerbaijan. Why? Rambo style arrest and all these kind of things. Hey, freedom of speech, na the mobile and style, you know, under NDC. Wow. What me actually chrono see this penny. Podi understand can entry to. Do conform our Abegina or no Gina and not them catch on out in them Guzuka. Oh yeah, yanko. Who cried out here be from them. When you are in a position, you are a rational human being. When you come to power It's like the beer baker be buffet and will be and what a question is
Oh my manica way. It was never true, can never be true. The black man cannot manage his own affairs.
Well, we can.
We can't.
No, we can. That mentality. Black people, black people have crossed boundaries and barriers. The kind of things that we are doing here, no, and you're deliberate because
our soil do not accept it. That same Ghanaians they are doing exploit, no. Obu okuma community because asase no ko piesu no, e ma ho crime say. O man ne kwabra sante nimdie ne suahu ne wo mu no. Ye beboa mo na sa nimdie no etimi adedi. Well, asase no man ye wo so no and support it.
Well, I humbly beg to differ. I feel that it can't be corrected. Oh. You know, you bet me say kase ye boa payomi ye yes say ye be ya de year. We can.
We are selfish.
People in this country are some of them very decent. We not say I can't man yourself for you can say block and block. Oka MPP, Oka NDC, Oka CPP, Oka Inyabema young man ya dano buy, Oka Lanche maintain a movement here. Oh, you cannot just put all of them together and say but because omu free quorum, you sum it and say that this political party and individuals. See, it's very important. Moment trust in this uncle. So December 17th, 2 about we now about also lose. Bibia anywhere is ordinary Sakabian comparing January 7th. Now, if you want to say space not the house. As we speak, we don't have DCs. Assembly is not how we are affected. There can say mention crash be any baby out. Assembly is not what really is happening there. So when we wake up and these are the stories that we are concerned about. Yeah, Pamui, yeah, Sumui. Hey, when are we growing? In our democracy, it's too dysfunctional. For 68 years, we've been dysfunctional as a people, as a country, in trying to reap the benefits of a functional democracy. War, Russia. Obia carry pain. Ebe si na no pe ka say. Ti ono no akatua nko akatua.
We ya woni abra kan stay ko hwe. Obi onu free and the MPP dey be di no.
Well, quite me money due, but there's always a chapter. There's always a chapter to be opened.
Oh, but the challenge me is say at what point Rebecca will say enough is enough.
This is the point. Because fortunately for us, the agenda by this government is a resetting agenda.
It's on paper.
Well, maybe that's what you can say. But somehow I don't want to be frustrated this morning. Somehow I'm seeing excavators here. Bejiji over hundreds of excavators, good baby. I could see Sergeant Habbo, Minister Namanie, say Oko Dental Gate Trayer, excavators here go I ran actually to 2 passports for a rain or a Ghana car because I put for more reno or my hit you or car a cancer. And no Sabre Minister, the wolf say, why? Go right now. Somebody genuinely, you have to understand that these problems should be solved. Yaji 60 na yaji no. Ebe wi achi na ban fufuro beba no. 60 no hu nkontabuo na ebi ko fa ha. Sa 60 na yaji na obe wi achi bi yesa de bi tuta illegal mining na. And I'm surprised these things are up there. Just this weekend, Makacho, Nzema, Bogoso, Ayamfuri, Diaso, Dominacy. Go and check. So when I see these crocodile John pictures as actions being taken by the sector minister, it's a lie. I have videos. No being a CEO, me na maker. Because we all want partisan approach to solving matters. Machra miya me koi. Because I use goso. The fufa baby any befa dia so I am for a dominance go physical. They are there. The Ghanaian Times. Sometimes when people who manage the affairs of this country from time immemorial, are so heartbreaking.
Say, I don't know what I make. So just say the only Ghanaian who is not corrupt, the one who has not come close to the act. Oh man, Ghana su mojane we muno. And more, my.
The Ghanaian Times. War on Galamsey intensifies. 60 excavators seized. Small-scale mining licenses issued after December 7, 2024 revoked. Sector Minister Boa Anakase. And call the backyard, go ahead. And they make noise about Duka backyard. Duka was a deputy minister in charge of mining, yeah? Now you are the main minister. Call the backyard, correct? Whether it started 22 years ago. But you go and check how Egusua briskly ekosopa. Let court determine allegations against SML. Professor Boedina Akase. MPA boss vows to flush out illegal fuel traders. They be that say all political parties and politics will flush out this, will do this, will do this. Mo share man penyin no on kasa pi or directing e ko yejuma or you know yejuma. Kasa no after 68 years it shouldn't be talking no. It should be action. Tu so na hwe anopa nkrata banyina bia ni wo ehye nkran. Yenchi obi a yekosi obi adwuma no kwan yekogu obi yekopam obi all these anyina those also anopa the urban. Yehu say dwumadie kese bi be mabunu anya elisuade hu direction bi yehu so man afa ha yekose that be anyina enim too much katan bibia enim MPA boss no over no and Galamsey there and Jakpa question exit can you imagine a country like Ghana wake up there's no progressive conversation. And we all sit in the morning, Jakpa, and Okoji, and Okoti CCTV cameras, and a Kochi Katechi, and I see a Kochi Galamsey, and after December. So which one is the progressive one here? That consensus.
It's Adom Online. Ross Minister and Cocoa Board CEO form committee to address third cocoa road project. Cocoa project outdoor roader Akamuno. Road Minister and Cocoa Board CEO share say Pepe Coins Biafaso. Etimi every sa acquiring them. They beat us with guns, stones, and metal. Boko residents recount military brutalities. Eti yade she oboko so neka se asoja fo na ebe ho no. Omo de tu aboba ene etu abna dade nyina ena ebro mo e oboko timpenfo hwe enka bi emfama omo veteran actor Seguna Rinze break silence. Okay, when the Nigeria actor ne so ena ka san ko focus so yare. E 2 pm abohunu yare ka wasam ne anu ye ya ode aban. The big one, revoking only small-scale mining licenses on fair. It is small-scale miners associations they can say the last part of 2024, and yes, small-scale and more licenses. I don't know why they trade at the SC almost. It's almost so Akasa. What be this also?
Ibianyo, star 281 has sika osika. Na fi nye bibi tu butum na fa pebra papa bibo. Na de ekọ ko idie. No. Ebe sa to aso yeko.